क्या आप भी रोज़ एक ही स्वेटशर्ट पहनते हैं? क्या आप भी बोर हो चुके हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी से? क्या आपको भी ठंड लगती है लेकिन आप फैशनेबल होना चाहते हैं? तो प्लीज़ ये वीडियो ध्यान से देखिए। Starting with the most basic items, turtleneck and straight fit jeans. The color combination of blue and white is like forever. One can't separate these two. And I also want to mention very few important things. These are uncombed hair and I had an extreme hormonal imbalance, so I have few unwanted acne bumps on my face, and I was in extremely chill mode, so you might see me enjoying more rather than actually working. So about these jeans, these are from H&M. My turtleneck is a bodysuit from Coops. You know I'm a sucker for bodysuits. And to make this outfit more winter appropriate, here is a corduroy pink jacket. This is a statement piece. Not only this old school jacket an easy way to keep yourself warm, but they're effortlessly cool. If you're into 60s or 70s fashion, you'd know how these flared jeans have made a comeback, and there's no denying the fact that these are extremely fashionable and adds a vintage vibe. To settle down the silhouette, I'm wearing a black tank top, and don't worry, I ain't that hot to wear a black tank top in winters. And for accessories, I'm wearing tiny stud and wristwatch and neckpiece पहनने का कोई फायदा नहीं होता. And these cool faux flats are from my mother's brand Style Store. I'll mention her Facebook page link on the description box to check out her page. And then these white sneakers are my favorite ones, and if you happen to notice a black thingy on my jeans, then congratulations, आप मेरी वीडियो को ध्यान से देख रहे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. There is a red button on the right side, just click on it and I'll be forever grateful. So the black thing is a shoelace to tighten the waist of my bottoms, as body shape के according jeans मिलना is quite a task, so I do जुगाड़ on my own level. And here is me trying to do something that I know won't be comfortable, but I was actually enjoying doing this thing. And to keep the winter temperature in check, add your leather jacket. Leather jacket is another statement piece to add in your wardrobe, and it's a must for winter season. And to add more chicness to this cool outfit, carry a black sling bag and your coolest Ray-Bans, or bus. So act like you're Hailey Bieber in your own little world and you're heading towards the coolest restaurant in New York, hiding your face from paparazzi. But do not forget, you are the best version of yourself, and you're the awesomest, and you're the coolest. Enough trying, Ria. That's your ring that is stuck. Look down. Chala. One thing I've noticed in fashion trends is leather bottoms, and skipping the legging style and opting for trouser with wider fits are more popular. So look for trouser style leather pants that have high-waisted fit, straight legs and tapered ankles. These are from H&M and I got them last year. Wearing the same accessories, ear studs and wristwatch. There's something elegant and luxurious about velvet that makes it a classic staple. A velvet blazer is probably one of the most versatile pieces that you can add to your closet, since you can wear it during the day or even during night out. This blazer has been my favorite ever since, and the color makes it more versatile and we can pair it up with any outfit. The contrast here between the glam velvet and the edgy leather is sure to turn heads. I'm wearing a basic tank top under the jacket to keep the overall vibe simple. But if you want your outfit to be a little bit glamorous, you can try a lacy blouse or a camisole under the jacket. Now, after this ramp walk, I want to attend an after party and not to spend my night watching Bigg Boss. Please help! Certain pieces honestly work in every season, and one fashion item that one can wear year round is a skirt. And my bichara nose is literally begging me to wear a jacket as soon as possible, otherwise I'll catch cold. But before that, let me tell you that when it comes to winning marriage of chic and cozy, Nothing beats the turtleneck. It's a versatile basic, and whether you opt for a thick, chunky sweater or fitted turtleneck to layer, they unquestionably add sophistication to every outfit. The best part about this turtleneck is that it's sleeveless and I don't really need to struggle my way into wearing a jacket over the chunky sleeves. I can't really move out like this in this chilly weather, so here is the statement staple: white puffer jacket. If you want to make a wow statement and to keep yourself warm, then you definitely should go for a puffer jacket. As the jacket will instantly become the feature of your outfit, it's best to keep everything else subdued to maintain a balanced aesthetic. Neutral shades with slim silhouettes is ideal for creating a chic outfit. And to top it all are the boots. Boots are a fall staple. They are an easy way to instantly add a cool and a forward edge to an outfit. As I mentioned, leather is a huge trend this fall, and oftentimes when we think of adding leather pieces to our wardrobes, jackets are one of the first things to pop up. But it's time to add leather trousers and leather skirts. Well, these are fall leather, and I don't really support purchasing real leather, as you know the reasons. This skirt is from Shein, and the turtleneck that I'm wearing is from my mother's brand, Style Store, and I'll again mention the link to her Facebook page in the description box. The boots that I'm wearing are from Coves. Leather skirts are another fall must-haves because they are so versatile and yet statement-making. It strikes the perfect balance of fashion-forward, classic and cool, making it ideal for a variety of outfits and occasions. And lately I've been loving mixing brown and black together, and here I'm wearing a black knitted turtleneck, and I love the lace detailing on the top. It's extremely elegant and complements the edgier vibe of skirt and boots. You can never ever go wrong with a classic black blazer, as it instantly elevates any look. This one is a perfect way to transition into fall. I honestly am loving the perfect amount of contrast given by the skirt here in the whole black outfit. This is what is called a statement piece. अगर आप और भी fashionable बनना चाहते हैं, then please wait for part 2. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel.